Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to create a PaySafeCard account. So it's pretty easy. First of all, you must know that PaySafeCard is a prepaid online payment method based on vouchers with a 16-digit PIN code, independent of bank account, credit card, or other personal information. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you that PaySafeCard works in different countries by now. So here is a list of the countries that is available right now, and it works with a 16-digit PIN code like in the image. You're going to receive that, and then you are going to be able to buy some stuff. You must find here the outlets that are close to you in order to buy that 16-digit code, and then if you go to spend, you are gonna know where can you use it. So by now the top online shops are Deezer, Steam, League of Legends, and all of these websites that you are looking right now. Okay, so if you want to register for more benefits, you must just scroll down a little and register now. And here the process is like almost in all these, I don't know how to say it, these pages. So you must select your country, write your email, your password. Then you are going to verify your email. And then you're gonna make the same with your mobile number. Okay, so write your mobile number, verify your mobile number because you're gonna receive an SMS. And that's it. Once you have done that, this is going to ask you for some personal information, just your number and so on. And there in your account, you're going to be able to write your 16-digit code in order to buy whatever you want in these top online shops, for instance, or look for another shops that you are interested in.